Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can add a page break to your documents and tasks on Craft app. So let us get started. So head over to your document, for example, here in the Craft app. I will go with this one here, navigate to the given page. And here where you see the text box, let me just skip to the next line, enter the command / and then page break. You can also enter the first letters. So you can see these separators, but also page break. And as you can see, guys, it looks like on Microsoft Word or Google Docs. You see that clear break here from one page to the other. So you can click into the end of that page, and then let me just skip to the next line. So if you press enter, you stay on that page. So you will need to click into the next page to keep typing here and add your commands there. So that's it. I hope you see the distinction here. So there's a clear break, right? So you can also move the break to another position by using that handle here. And yeah, relocate the page break inside your document on Craft. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.